Hey, so welcome to Oldfield Garage. Today's episode we are going to install an electric trailer jack on the front of our 24-foot car hauler. So hang around, check it out. Watch me and old Gene hook her up. All right, let's grab these tools and get to it.
All right.
Ginger! My puppy. There's my ginger girl. Oh, me ginger girl. Stay. That is the exact opposite of stay. Get it. Gene don't mess around. Got the F-250 Super Duty. Go forward a little bit. Whoa! Right there, don't move. Oh, Gene will get you if you ain't careful. So this is what we're gonna do, is we're gonna take this off right here, hook up a battery and an electric lift. That way we don't have to worry about none of this stuff. That way Gene don't have a hard time trying to disconnect the trailer and all that. Be a lot more convenient, a lot more high tech, you know, big pimping stuff. The electric one would just be, whoa, don't go nowhere. Oh. A little bit of gravity, huh? Huh?
That's not right golf for it anyway.
We're just letting it sit on there. We don't need this now. Hook up some power in case we want to go in there.
I ain't be happy.
We installed this too right here. It gives power to the inside of the trailer. A little more custom work. Where do you have the jack with you?
That's inside.
Oh, it's in the trailer, that's right. Look at this long old beast, long old comfort box. Well, she's old and beat up, but she's ours, man, and we did quite the number on the inside. We did this gate right here. Still got some touch-up paint to do, but man, it still smells like new wood. We put these in here. Uh-oh, got some condensation. We got condensation. It's warm in here, but it's
Sun's been shining bright.
yeah, look here, moisture.
Yeah.
So it's gonna do that. It's just here. Not so much here, just back there, basically where
Well, mostly where you got this stuff underneath, it's
Yeah.
got a moisture shield in it.
yeah. Well, yeah, it's running down, but down here we had a little bit of water damage from earlier, but we got it covered up. So here it is, 12-volt electric A-frame trailer jack, 5,000 pound capacity, weather resistant. This is Harbor Freight special. I love Harbor Freight. This should be an easy hookup. We got that battery up there too that we need to get and mount up here somewhere. Old timer. We ended up being a nice day out here. Started out at like 21 degrees. It's Tennessee for you though. We'll be cold as hell to you and then just love you up, warm you up later. Reminds me of a specific gender. Well, come on. What are you doing? There we go. No, that's an old lawnmower battery. I don't think that's got any juice. No, the battery's in that box. I'll probably have to grab it, but it's in that box underneath something up there. I don't know. Let's get it mounted up, and then we'll get a battery. Or do you want to test it and all that before we put it on? Yeah, I probably should.
Yeah.
Hall Master. So it even comes with a little manual in case the battery goes dead. You can hand crank it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Little light right there. Looky there, huh? Yeah. Two wires. And let me run up and grab the battery real quick and we'll put her to it.
Okay.
I don't know, this battery had juice in it when we took it out of the trailer, so it should still be all right. Ah. What is that? It says green. That'll work, huh? Let's here. Let's do away with all this safety apparatus stuff. What's here? Black wire positive, white wire negative. Well, it's a good thing that they I was about ready to do her backwards. Well, Gene, here, got your controls right there. That must be the light. So black wire positive, white wire negative. Oh, looky there, looky there. It's alive. Hit that other button right there. See if that light comes on. Up top, Gene. Hit it. Push it up. Oh, looky there.
All right.
Boy.
Got her made.
All right. Let's Now that we've established that it works, brand new it should. Where's this go? Oh, right here at the top?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Gotta be.
Yeah. Another flaw design. I mean, it's got a rubber stopper, but if it gets any moisture, it's going to drip right down in there. They should have put it through the side. Oh, well, what do I know? I'm just a California transplant in Tennessee.
We need to get one of them battery boxes and mount it out here.
For sure. It is 12 volts, so we just need to figure on something to run from constant hot from the trailer lights to this, but a battery box will be just fine. What's this right here? I think this has already got a little battery in it. Is this for the brakes? Probably. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's the breakaway right there. This wire came undone. That's probably why the brakes are acting weird, Gene.
Yeah.
We'll have to connect that back up. What is this? Oh, the
Remote.
key. Remote brakes? Wouldn't that be something? It's a key box.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what that goes to.
Maybe it's what they had in here before. Maybe it was keys they used to have on it.
Hmm.
You will have to pull that out.
Well, let's go ahead.
Mount this inside or outside?
Mount what? The battery?
Yeah.
We'll probably just run some wires through, underneath,
Yeah.
over the top. I don't know, but probably on the inside. That way we can keep a trickle charger to it
Yeah. And
if we need to.
keep it dry. Keep
Keep it dry.
Stealing.
Keeps people from stealing it. Yeah. All right. So this is what we're gonna do.
Let's get this off of there.
Get this crap out of the way. Another Harbor Freight special. On the fly, on the go, tools, everything you need. So, let's see here.
Probably down the bottom row.
9/16. And then, look at that mess. Woohoo. Is there a way to keep these things in there? Ever? No? Okay.
Go in the bottom and get the heavy duty for that.
For what?
Lift that top tray out.
No, this should be fine.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
How big, tight them other bolts are.
I got a little bit of youthful retard strength left in me. Oh, are you kidding me? How's that even work? They got it all boxed in.
I know it.
What did I get there? 5/8. Man, that impact wrench really makes quick work of this.
Let me go get it.
I'll get it. Man, I just love it when I forget a tool. It's like the 10mm socket, man. I came up here just a second ago, didn't even see it sitting right in front of me. Had to run all the way through the house, all the way downstairs, back outside. Then forgot this piece right here. Come back up here and here this sits. Yep. Brilliant. Yeah. So I went up there to get this. Didn't see the other one sitting there, ran downstairs and got this, went back up there and seen it sitting there. It was there the whole time.
Yeah.
There it is. Not today. Might not need to use them nuts.
The nuts might be welded underneath.
Yeah, we could probably just go right in with these. Urgh. Urgh. He. As long as they don't snap off in there, we're all right. It's gonna be always the last one that gives you the most problems. What do I do with that ratchet?
Longer breaker bar there if you need.
Where? About the same length.
Go in the bottom tray. Get a 9/6 out of it.
Oh, here we go. Do this. And then use this. Extendo Torquematic. Ah. Till it wants to get all weak in the knees. Well, that was the one that was hanging on.
Yeah, it's a little longer boat. Piece here.
Let's go ahead and take this bad girl off. You're on the cord, Gene. Oh, like a glove.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, look at that.
Look, huh? Ooh-wee. Save these. Never know when you're gonna need some nuts.
Unless somebody had enough brains to screw the inside nut, weld them on there since they can close it.
Yeah. This would have been a bigger project than what we thought. Well, are you gonna let me in or? Come on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Nice when they make.
Boy, looky
places
there.
Fit, right?
That was easy. Well, I don't think it could have gotten any easier than that.
No.
Well, there you have it. Quick, easy installation of a Harbor Freight Hallmaster 12-volt electric A-frame trailer jack for simplicity and convenience. What did we pay for that? Like $2 something?
Yeah. $249.
$249, but hey, why not? Anyways, thanks for watching. Oldfield Garage. Subscribe, like, comment, and all of that other fancy stuff. Good?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Gene, I'll let you do the honors. Remember, black is positive.
Yeah.
So what we can do with this is ground it somewhere and then just run this into something else. Hold on, let's take this off. Come on. Go for it. Go down. Go down. Let me see. Oh yeah, so up would be like up off the trailer, I guess.
Yeah. Erase this.
I bet you if you switch these wires, it would just go backwards, but I ain't chancing it. Well, it takes its sweet time though, don't it? I'm gonna run a battery dead on here. On my camera.
We'll just get our block put under.
No, that thing lowers down a little bit more too. But it should have like 32 inches of... All right, here's the test. Is it going up? There it's going up. Looky there. Looky there. Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
In the back truck quite a bit. It should be high enough to clear it.
Well, come on, Gene. No! Hey! Back up! All those guys. Come on, back up! Back up, Gene! Go ahead and let her rip. There we go. Working like she should. All right. Good deal.
I've got a plug. I got another plug in here. It's just this. I got one plug for this. And
Yeah, we'll
plug-
just figure out which wire is what, and then we'll just
all you gotta do is
we'll ground it here, and then